Hello दोस्तों, welcome to the Fragrance Corner. Today we are going to discuss in review Rasasi Brilliant Silver. I have bought one month back and it is maceration or maturations. After 1 month I have tried this perfume. So I am going to discuss the first impressions and after 1 month maturations or macerations, the performance of the perfume Rasasi Brilliant Silver, it is gone change. And I bought around 1200 rupees to 1400 rupees from fragrance community, and I have tried and tested the Marc-Antoine Barrois Ganymede, and I like a lot that perfume. It is the brilliant creations by the famous perfumer, right? Quentin Biche creations Ganymede, and it is famous for the one mineral metallic notes in that. And I have tried that perfume Ganymede, and it is blown away my mind. That notes from the beginning to end with the mandarin, orange, violet, and some kind of flowery in the middle notes, violet in the middle notes, and the dry down in the cedar woods and the leather and musky. So I have tried and tested from like 5 to 8 hours on my skin, and I was roaming around that in the mall, and I getting the sniff. I was getting the sniff after 8 hours, and the perfume's notes are changing, right? So from the beginning there is a one note mineral metallic is there. So I was searching for the clone or the dupes from a long time, and I have seen there is a one name coming from the communities, fragrance community, perfume communities. It is Rasasi Brilliance. I was experiencing that mineral metallic notes. So I was wondering what is this in this perfume. So I went to the Fragrantica and I looked into the notes of the Ganymede, and I found they are mentioning a mineral metallic notes, and in notes the fragrance note descriptions they are mentioning it is not the found on the earth like that, it is from the other universe notes like that. And literally the notes, the mineral metallic, it is wondering for me, and it is likable like a lot for me. So after that I searched the Rasasi Brilliant Silver. I bought it and my macerations around the 1 month, and I tried a lot, and today it is my scent of the day. And I wear from beginning of the day, then I found there is some kind of difference. The musky, the patchouli and the flower notes are little bit different. So the perfume is subjective to the person to persons, right? So some people like the violet notes are there, right? So some people like the most violet note, and some are facing the weird. They're telling it is weird note for the violet, but I like a lot. So I sprayed on the clothes and the skin. So it is lasting around 5 to 6 hours, and it has a projection, the Brilliant Silver Rasasi. So it has a projections also, longevity also, and the sillage also. If you are going to any room, okay, so the projections, it will the perfume notes, the perfume smells going before you entering the rooms, and the sillage, when you left that room, the fragrance will stay there for the sometimes. So it is called the sillage, right? So I'm getting all kind of the longevity, projection and sillage from this fragrance. So for the price point, I am talking about the price point. The Ganymede, like 100 ml will come around 15,000, 15k, right? And it is 1200 to 1400. For the price, the perfumes notes and the performance worth the price. Thank you for watching. That's it from my side.